So I'm Sandy Browning and I'm the executive chef at Ka Pao, Edinburgh. And yeah, we're absolutely delighted to have Thornback Ray on the menu. So we serve it with choo chee curry sauce, mackerel, lime and cashews. The heat element and obviously the richness of the coconut goes really well with that white meat of the skate wing as well. So we've always had a variation of it for probably the last 2-3 years. In Ka Pao, but across the company we've been using it for the last 10 or 11 years, I'd say. I think it's great value for customers in terms of we give about a 200 or 250 gram portion, and with that, once you remove the cartilage, you're still left with probably about 150 to 200 grams of meat. So it's a great value and it's a great big looking dish as well. A lot of chefs will know the kind of challenges in terms of how hard it is to balance a menu and balance the prices on it. Trying to find fish that's maybe not as commonly used and it has a better price point. It's trying to use stuff that maybe isn't getting used as much, and the fish has always been good and it's as good as what it was, many years ago. It's just maybe not on many people's radar. I mean, it's super helpful when we get the wings in terms of like prepping them down. There's very little wastage on them, you're just cutting off kind of like the frill and the trim around the sides. Obviously where we are in Scotland and just in the UK in general, the fish supply we have is incredible. So when you visit these places and you see it, it really just connects the dots a lot more, as opposed to if you're bringing stuff in and it's coming from halfway around the world, or you're bringing fish in that's maybe coming from Europe. You kind of really don't understand the area or the economy that it's working with. Whereas when you go up to these seaside towns and you see who it directly affects, then I think that it gives you a lot more care for the ingredient. The way people are shopping as well, they're wanting to, I think, shop more local. So we get a lot of people asking where we're getting our fish from or where we're getting our meat from as well, and people want to know it's relatively local, and you can just get so many amazing products on your doorstep.